Truly I'm really in the twilight. This delight feeling, emotions to take, to step into this world. The twilight at the door, an eclipse in a world. To see an event with you truly there. In my world, I see a passion, an eternity of counting in vain to say I wanna be your hero, your champion, your warrior of the heart. Reach your mind with this love, a twilight taking over. I see the eclipse door. I wanna open and walk through it to see the delight of being in love with you, my darling one. And truly I'm really how this heart feels when entwined with our destinies. How long I can last, how long I can breathe with you, with this privilege of the light entangled. I want to go in a journey of witching you to know I can step and be a person with a personality to have entwine, have your back, to be the one who softly whispers with a smell so nicely, knowing it's the roses I give to you, my love, to show my commitment. This head is following you, how you wanted to know your spot with blessings, to know this wave is coming our way, to know this air is pure and sweet, to know the spring, to see the summer flowers, to know me and you, twilight with love, to know how far we take this honor of respect and traditions to hold in our leaves, to know this passion whose followers around, a spirit guide I want to be, to know I'm your guardian, a guardian you trust and you respect, to know these feelings take over my soul, to know this way of a pumping heart, to know this twilight is just walk through the door, to see you knocking at my heart, my love.